A broken catch basin means stagnant water, poor drainage, and a trip hazard. A new precast concrete catch basin installed by Balkan can solve all these problems. Balkan professionally removes the old catch basin using highly trained workers and has all the tools and equipment required in-house. Working safely at all times, even when inside private property, is what Balkan is renowned for. A new watertight catch basin is delivered and expertly installed. Elevations are carefully checked and the catch basin is reconnected to the existing sewer pipe. Once installed, the excavation is carefully backfilled. Professional restoration includes a poured concrete roadway base, followed by hot asphalt paving. Result? From an unsightly and dangerous condition to a long-lasting and permanent drain solution that will add value to your property. Call us at 718-849-0900 for any water main or sewer-related emergencies 24/7. We service all of Manhattan, Queens, Bronx, and Brooklyn. Since 1952, the Balkan team has been providing answers and solutions, not excuses.
Hi, I'm David Balkan of Joseph L. Balkan, Inc. Thank you for watching our video.